Is all that stuff for your birthday? Oh, all that stuff? Yeah, I already got the balloons and the candy. So, what you gonna wear?
Nothing but the birthday best. Hi, welcome to Delightfully Dolls, where dolls are small and our hearts are big. Today, we will be making a doll birthday look. My birthday was close to the date where we recorded this, but now that it's later, I have to post it now, so it's far from the date. But either way, just gonna post this. Hope you guys enjoy. So we made this using
A ton load of materials. We've got a stapler, some thick yellow paper, but choose whatever color you'd like, some tissue paper, tape, pins, which are optional, 2 needle and thread spindles, but you only need one. We just want to use black and white, a piece of elastic, materials, white and blue, one for the top and one for the bottom of this outfit, liquid glue of any kind, we'll be using our fabric glue, pens or markers, so whatever you want to use to color, and a pair of scissors. Remember, scissors can be evil, so have an adult tame them for you. So to begin, I'm going to take my orange highlighter and mark a rectangle across my fabric. So it doesn't have to be perfect, that's why I'm not using a ruler. So I'll just go ahead trying to etch out this line all the way across my fabric. So after doing this line, I'm going to do one down the side. I want it to be long enough for my doll, so I'm gonna make it extra long because it's going to bunch up a little and I don't want it to be too skimpy. After I'm happy with the length of my skirt, which is what this rectangle will be, I'll draw all the way across again from the bottom. So now all sides of my rectangle have been drawn out, and I'm going to take my scissors and just start to cut out around the edges. Make sure you're not cutting 2 layers of your shirt if that's what you're using like me, or just cut on your material, keeping the lines as straight as possible. But if they're not, that can be fixed later. As you can see here, we have our rectangle all cut out. So I am going to retrieve my piece of elastic, and so you'll pinch it at one end, the corner of your rectangle, and pull it across. Now you can tell my rectangle is much longer than my piece of elastic, but after you sew this on, then you can trim it off. In order to sew on my strip of elastic, I'm going to have to pinch it and keep pulling while I grab my needle and thread and start to sew through it. So I'll sew using a straight stitch and pull as I do, so that in the end our skirt will bunch up and get the desired look. So I finished sewing up the elastic onto our material, and after I did that, I just folded it over to where the elastic stopped and sewed it to the top. I didn't go all the way down, but making sure my bad side is facing upward and the good side is within. So now I'm going to take my skirt and sew from this part down to here, lining up the pieces of my material so that my skirt can be closed in. Now, I sewed up the side of our skirt, so before I cut, just to be safe, I'm going to grab the doll and try it on, making sure it slips all the way up and fits nice and snug. Yeah, I think that's pretty good, but I don't want the skirt this long, so I'm probably going to cut it around here to to make it shorter, around knee length, and then hem. Now that this beautiful skirt is complete, we'll move on to the top. So, I know that was a big leap from the skirt and suddenly we just have this top already done, but no, it is not finished. We're going to add to the top that is from our doll tank top video, which you can find right here. We followed these steps and made it with 2 straps not crossed in the back. So now I'm going to take a strip of our same material and sew it like around here, right before the shoulder. I'm going to make sure this is the wrong way. Then I'll grab my needle and thread and begin to sew. So this side is done over here. I made sure I had the bad side over here so I could sew it, flip it over, and have a clean edge on this side. Now I'm going to tug it and do the same over here, pulling it in. Now I'm going to grab my pin and just make sure I can hold it in place. This way it makes it easier to sew. I repeated the step for one sleeve on the other side to complete our outfit for our doll birthday look. And because of a time crunch, I have decided to make a part 2 to this video for the accessories to really snazz up our look, if you know what I mean. So, if you want to see part 2, make sure to give this video a big like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be coming back with a new video soon. So, our craft is complete and our time has been sweet. Now that we're done, come back for more fun. See ya!